Hello, my name is Lanny Cohen. I'm with Capital Commodity Services, and on today's video, we're going to go over hedging strategies for live cattle futures. Before we get started, I need to address that there are risks involved in trading futures, and if you're contemplating trading, please pay particular attention to our disclaimer at the bottom of every page of our website. Thank you. Our website, ccstrade.com. We're going to be discussing cattle hedges. So let's go to futures historical charts. As you can see, we have all the historical charts here. So let's look at live cattle. And if you click on the link, then the current live cattle chart comes up. But for example's sake, let's just go to December cattle of last year and see what we got here. So, okay, so here's a chart. It looked like it steadily went down all year into November, and now it's on a tear here. So let's see what our choices are here. So using cattle futures, I'm not a big fan of using futures because of a number of reasons. Number one, you eventually have to make a decision. Number two, it could create margin calls. And number three, you lose 100% of your upside potential. You give away all upside price opportunity. So what I like to do is I use option spreads, and I try to get them to pay for themselves. Okay, you can buy straight options, like let's say you have to hedge your feeder cattle and you buy put options somewhere along these lines, and you want them to go till November. Well, they're going to be very, very expensive. It's going to be at least 3 points, which is $1,200 for the fat cattle and $1,500 for the feeder cattle. So it's certainly an option. You won't get any margin calls, but an option is a wasting asset that erodes with time. I would much rather do a spread where you buy a put that's fairly close to the money. You sell a put that's farther away that gives you a nice cushion, and then you sell a call that's significantly higher. I try to get it done for even money. I've got very specific rules I follow, and there is a lot of thought you need to put into this, and you need to understand the risks associated with it. So if you'd like to learn more about it, you can contact me at Capital Commodity Services. My name's Lanny Cohen. Be more than glad to take the time and explain it to you. I've also compiled a list of my top 10 trading rules that I think if you keep these rules in mind, it'll help your trading, whether you're a brand new trader or hedger or you've been trading for 20, 30 years. These rules will help you. So just click on the link below and send us your email address and we'll send them to you. Also, we've got a lot to offer. We've been in business since 1983. We've got a blog I write every morning. We've got historical charts like I showed you down here of every chart, every commodity, every year. We've got seasonal charts which show seasonal tendencies for every major commodity. Spread charts, spread any chart against the other. Live streaming quotes and charts are outstanding charts, any time period, full technical and drawing tools on them. And then we've got research. Oh, we got tons of research. We have trade recommendations, newsletters, fundamental research. We all do it for a 2-week free trial. So check us out. I hope you found this video informang. Thank you.